Hello Janta, we are headed for first service of He-Man. As you can see, we only did in 83 kilometers. Given the first service is due a month or 500, whichever early, we are now a month into the ride with the He-Man, and so we're gonna have to take him to the service center today. I have an appointment at 10 o'clock. It's already 10:15, so running pretty late as usual. Let me give you a feedback once we get to the service center and see what they say about the servicing. So Sendil is taking He-Man up for its servicing. We are located at bay number 3. The first free service for the Himalayan at HSR Enterprises on Magadi Road. The floor manager has kindly allowed us to film while the servicing is going on. So this is the first free service where oil filter and oil will be changed, as well as a couple of complaints that I've registered with them. One regarding the front fork and alignment of both the mirrors. That is going to be checked as well. I think he's prepping for removal of oil, and we'll find out how bad the oil is. So in order to remove oil, the first thing that they have to remove is sump guard. So as many of you may already know, the Himalayan sump guard is in 2 pieces. The first one being plastic and the second one being metal. The metal sump guard protects the exhaust, while the plastic sump guard protects the engine for now. We obviously are waiting for a full metal sump guard to come from Royal Enfield, which is an accessory which is still not available. So once that's available, we'll ensure that that's replacing the plastic sump guard as well. The initial oil that's given with the bike is usually mineral oil. The oil that's going to be replacing it is going to be semi-synthetic oil. One good thing to notice is how clean they try to keep their workstation. So there was a small accident where we spilled some oil, but before even proceeding with the change or even looking at the other things, the first thing that the technician has done is basically cleaned up all the oil from the spill. Given the bike is only run 93 kilometers, I don't think that's brake pads are going to be an issue, but like that they're focusing on attention to detail. I'm just going to give it a scrub so that there's no particles etc. in the brake pads, between the brake pads and the actual brake disc. Oil filter. One is definitely very clean. As you can see, there are a few shavings and some particles in the other one, which is why typically oil that's used is mineral. Filter, pushing the pouring within rubber gasket, rubber o-ring. Over here, and then some roads are also being cleaned. That's central, our technician for the day. So that, my friends, is the fresh synthetic oil. The new oil filter going in for a soap. And basically, you can see the new oil, the way it should look, and then the old oil, how it looks after use. There goes the oil. Oil is out of the way. I think Central is focusing on cleaning up his workstation, and then also the front plate, which haven't been fully cleaned out yet. So as you notice, the rear bits have already been cleaned out. He's going to take the process of the front plate, where the brake pads will come out, get scrubbed. The front brake pad will come out. Same lubrication and cleaning. So we did get the sump card, but the issue is the old crash card that we had, the engine guard that we had, will need to be replaced by this because this is an entire package. And so basically, seems like we've overspent about 4,500 rupees because that engine guard is no longer useful now. So we're trying to figure out if we can do something about it, potentially get a slightly higher discount or something figured out, but we'll have to see how we take it forward. But right now we are getting the old engine guard replaced and by the engine plus sump guard, which is a rally kit, as we call it. That's the old engine guard coming off. The new rally kit going on. And also some guard. Tested as of 3/1/24. Definitely was in the right before. Continuing on with the installation of the sump guard in the rally kit. Process of removing the tank in order to clean the air filter. ಎಷ್ಟು ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ನೋಡಿ. While testing, ensuring the flux level is and ready for servicing. So basically pay for